think that he left, but we had one of the students of the third generation, Mr. Aguirre, that came in 72, but I think that he left maybe. So, okay, it's coming, okay? So he's our senior alumni from UOC International. Mr. Aguirre, congratulations.